Okay, guys. Into the video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply the dynamic forces extended on staircases while it's being used, right? And those forces are the weights of people, the furniture, and other movable objects, right? So what I mean, by summarize my meaning, I'm gonna say that I'm gonna apply the live load on the staircases. So live load is the dynamic forces, like force that can change over time. Okay, and how to do it? So if you first of all, I'm gonna remove these forces here. I don't know display any force. I'm gonna just go in here, right? I'm gonna click on load symbol to hide the forces. And I'm gonna go on loads, on load case, on load here. I'm gonna go on load type. I'm gonna just explain a little bit for you guys so you might get on the page, right? So here, look, here I become more specific, right? Like I'm not more specific in here, right? So as you can see here, I have live loads, but we have many type of live loads in this building. So I need to be more specific. So I'm gonna come here in this load type here. I'm gonna create other loads, right? So I'm gonna go on the dead loads. I'm gonna create the dead load DL for the staircases. For S means staircases, or I can just put the full name staircases, case, right? And it's on that dead loads, right? And then I'm gonna press add, and I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna do the same for the live load. I'm gonna just change the zip to L. L, right, is live load for staircases, and it's gonna be under live load. And here I'm gonna change the label to L, right? And then I'm gonna press add, right? And beside that, we also have the safe weight of the staircases. It's under the dead loads. So I'm gonna use here SW, safe weight, like safe weight for the staircases, and it's under dead loads, right? And I can just press here, I can just write here dead loads, and okay, and here I can just press add. So here now for the staircases, I'm more specific. As you can see that here at least we know that we need to apply the safe weights for the staircases in the next video, and the dead load for the staircases also in the next video. And here in this video, I'm gonna apply the live load for the staircases, and the magnitude that I'm gonna take for all the floor that's composed the staircases should be 2.8 kilonewton meter square. And how to do it? First of all, you have to close this, and from here, I'm gonna go here, right? I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna pick LL for staircases, like live load for staircases, right? And I'm gonna go on load again. I'm gonna press on loads, and here this time I'm gonna go on load definition LD, and I'm gonna use my surface, right? So I need to apply the load on surface floor, right? And I'm gonna go on uniform load. Like uniform load means distribution load on a specific area, specific length, right? And in the Z direction, I'm gonna use my value that I say 2.8, right? 2.8, right? 2.8. And my value is located in global Z direction, right? Like up and down. But my value should be down, like the force. The force is actuated by the gravity, so that's why it's going downwards, right? So that's why I need to put negative for all the forces in Z direction. Most of the force should be in negative position, like going down. All right, and I'm gonna project my my loads. Okay, and here I'm gonna edit. So my point here is I need to apply loads on only to the staircases here, right? And it's hard to select the staircases from here, right? Because you have a lot of members. So in order for you to select without making any mistake, so what you should do here, you see, I'm gonna put my again put it here. So if you go here, right? If you go on this menu here, you might see that we have a lot of things that we create so far. We have the beam, we have the column, we have the floor, we have the nodes, right? But I need the floor because my staircase is composed by the floors, right? So I'm gonna expand the floors, and I know that each staircase has 5 floors, right? So it means that we have 3 staircases, so we have 15 floors, and those floors they've been created at last. Like the last floors that I created was the staircases, right? So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go floors, expand floors, and I'm gonna take the 15 last floors that I create. I'm gonna just press Ctrl on my keyboard, and I'm gonna press the last 15, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? And as you can see, I select like I only select on the staircases, right? And I need the loads to be applied only on the staircases. This is the live load, and just make sure it's under live loads for staircases, right? And here I can press here, and you might figure out that I only select the staircases. They set from 257 to 272, right? And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just press apply, and I'm gonna close. And as you can see, this is how I can display the force again, just by going here, by going on load symbols. And as you can see, I create the live load, the movable loads on staircases, right? So these loads represent us, represent people, the weight of people, different people, the weight of furniture, and also the weight of any movable loads, right? And designing staircases for engineer must be considered to anticipate the life loads, to ensure the structure integrity and also the safety of the structure, right? So this is all about this video. And the next video I'm gonna show how to consider the safe weight of the staircases, and also the dead load for staircases. So see you in the next one. And don't forget to share the video, don't forget to like the video, and also the most important is don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye.